Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to go ahead and do us a review video. This is something new we've never done before on my channel. This is a product review from Cooserry. They reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I wanted to review their product. So I was like, sure. They sent it to me probably about a month ago, and I've been did the review. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you see I posted probably about a month ago, 3 weeks ago, and I'm just now getting out to making a video. So as you guys can see, the box comes with instructions, a UV light. I think it's like 6 watts. It's really for just like one finger to cure, just to cure. Okay, so yeah, it comes with 2 bottles of nail glue. This is for you to use on the tips, and then you cure it for 60 seconds. And if you guys can see, it comes with real bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. If anybody can feel me on that, you guys can leave a comment and tell what you guys used to do with bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. That was like the favorite pastime. But anyway, as you guys can see, it comes with tips. I think it goes from size 0 to 9, but the tips are a little small, which is cool for me because as you guys can see, I have a really small nail bed. I have really short nails. Most of the time the nail tips are too big and I have to file the sides, so that'll work for me. And here's everything that comes in the kit. I think the kit was probably like $24. I can leave the link in the description on Amazon. It comes with a nail clip, nail file, nail lamp, tips, and 2 bottles of nail glue. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and picked all my sizes out. I'm just gonna do my left hand, so go ahead and push those cuticles back and clean up all that dead skin up on dead dry skin, which I have a lot of, if you guys can see, and it just comes from my cuticles grow out really fast for some crazy reason, but they typically grow out way faster than my nails grow. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and clean that up and get all that dead skin off, and then I'll go back in and file away with my ball drill bit. That's a tongue twister right there. And get all that dead skin up under there. As you guys can see, I do use my nippers to get the dead cuticle skin off as well. So yeah, you guys can sit back and watch this nail prep process, and I'll be back. And you want to make sure you go in and remove as much of the natural shine from the nail bed as possible, so you will get a good stick to the nail bed and the glue. I also go in with alcohol that actually helps dehydrate the nails as well. Okay, and I like to go ahead and remove the shine from the tips as well. I do find that it does help the nail tips to stick. With these tips, they were thick. They're a little bit on the thicker side opposed to the thinner side. I do have a lot of tips that comes really thin, like so paper thin. These, however, they have a little thickness to them, so I did like that. I do like the lamp. It does give you room to maneuver when you are like doing your nails on your own. I do find it hard when you have like the big nail lamps. When you're trying to glue on the tip, it is so hard to press that tip down, stick your finger under that nail lamp. So these lamps right here definitely come in handy for those who are just trying to go ahead and maybe you have some full cover tips, or you have some press-ons and you just want to glue and go. This nail lamp is definitely comes in handy. So you guys can see I went ahead and got all the tips on, trimmed them, and now I'm going ahead and file shape them back up to the desired size and shape that I like. So you'll see me do this a few times. Oh my gosh, I gotta quit saying like, y'all gotta excuse me. This is my first time doing a voiceover. Technically my second. The first one was a little cringy. You know, it's hard getting used to talking to a microphone by yourself. Nobody's around. It's a little weird, but if you guys bear with me, I can bear with you, and we gonna make this work. Partnership, teamwork, make the dream work. Hey. Alright, so as you guys can see, go ahead and file. I am using the file that they sent that came with it. I worked with it. It's sturdy, but it's little. Probably a good one-time use. After that, you'll have to go ahead and invest in some more files. So dust those nails off so you can see your shape. You don't want to file too much. You don't want to file too little. So make sure in between your filing, you get your dust brush and you dust all that excess off. And then you can see where you're going. Alright, now the nails are all filed and shaped. I'm going to go in with my base coat. Now the kit does not come with a base or a top coat, but you will need it to finish the product. So if you have some base coat and some top coat laying around, then you'll be able to go ahead and get you a nice quick on the go set. So that's probably the only thing I didn't like about it, but you know, for the most part it comes with everything else, but you do need a base and a top coat. So as you guys will see me go ahead and apply that to all of the nails. And I do love my mini McCart lamp. It was one of my first ones that I got when I first started doing nails a few years ago. And I love it. I love it. It's not too big. It's not too bulky. It's like perfect for me. So if you guys wondering like, why do she always have this little bitty lamp? I have big lamps, but they don't serve me well like the rest of them. So you'll see I go in with the second coat of base and then cure that for 60 seconds. And on my thumbnail, I didn't know what design I was going to go with because, you know, we're just trying out the kit. So I had to come up with some type of design to go on top of the nails. So I am using my McCart nail foil glue. I cured that for 30 seconds. Then I went in with some foil, flowers, stick that on there, and you get a nice clean. But you have to make sure that it is cured for 30 seconds and it'll get that sticky top layer that where your foil will stick perfectly. And you'll see I'm going ahead and adding a little bit of crystals and flowers that I did get out of my I'll say it was my March Your Nail Lab kit I purchased, and I'm gonna repeat on my ring finger, and you guys can sit back and watch the rest of the design for the nails. So I did added a little teddy bear that I also got in my McCart Your Nail Lab kit. As you guys can see, at this point in time, it was this new trend going on with this vertical ombre thing, and I tried to give it a try, but you know what they don't tell you is it takes a lot of patience and a lot of tries and a lot of blending, and yeah, you know, everybody always want to show the finished product. Nobody shows the mistakes and how many times you had to wipe and wipe and wipe and start over and do it again and do it again and start all over and do it again. But I'm here to tell you that yeah, no. As you guys can see, I was doing it trying to blend vertically, trying to blend horizontally, and it just wasn't working. I think that I had the wrong brush, but we worked it out. Set came out cute. The nails lasted for, I'll say, about 2 weeks, so they are very sturdy. They are very reliable. I do recommend this kit to anybody that is just starting, anybody that needs to do a quick set on themselves, a quick manicure go. I would recommend it for that. I do like the sturdiness of the nails, the thickness. I do like everything that came in the kit. However, like I stated before, you do need a base and a top coat to finish the product. So that didn't come with the kit. But like I say, if you have some on hand, then you definitely will have all that you need. Other than that, you will have to purchase that separately. I do thank you guys for watching this video. I want to shout out to Cooserry for contacting me and asking me to review their product. I hope this is the first of many more. And thank you, loves, for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.